All right, today we're doing a little different video. There's a rumor our rubs are now in Scheels. Never been to Scheels, never heard of Scheels, so now we're gonna go check it out. This place is big as hell. Getting on a Ferris wheel? I'm getting on the Ferris wheel for sure. All right, let's go check the jerseys out. They don't have America's team. What kind of store is this? No America's team. No America's team. All right, where the hell is the barbecue at? Haha. Damn, they got a lot. Woo-hoo! Fix those real quick. That's what we're gonna do. I stole this from a buddy. Buddy does this all the time, so I'm gonna do it now. Put some stickers in there. Stickers in there. Scheels, baby. We're in Scheels. So if you got a Scheels near you, close to you, or in your town, hit them up and tell them you want Your Behind BBQ seasonings in every store. We're trying to hit every Scheels. We're in one right now, so we gotta see how it does, and then they're gonna put us in more. So, Jonathan wants to go to Famous Dave's. He's never been to Famous Dave's. He works at a barbecue restaurant, so he gets barbecue. So now, he wants to go to Famous Dave's because he heard that's the best. And somebody parked like an a-hole. I'm guessing that's me. All right, Jonathan. All right. So John wants to go to Famous Dave's. Now, owning a barbecue restaurant, cooking barbecue contest, that's the last thing I want is barbecue. But John wants to go to Famous Dave's. He wants to see if they're any good or not. All right, John, we'll go to Famous frickin' Dave's. Can't believe you talked me into this, John. All right, let's go check it out. All right, here we go, Famous Dave's. All right, Devil's Spit, rich and sassy, sweet and zesty. Perfect. Can't believe I'm here. All right, let's see what we got. Where's the kids menu at? Probably got hot dogs for you since you're a child. Little Wilbur meals, chicken strips.
You want to get some bread pudding?
No. Why am I here, John? We got the same. Same. Well, we only got two, not three.
We should invest in a little holder like that.
No.
Put that on video.
All right, this one is sweet and zesty. Let's try it. Not bad. That's all right. All right, this one is rich and sassy.
Like you.
For real, like me. Woohoo.
That one rich and sassy?
Damn. All right, we got Devil's Spit. I think this is probably hotter than hell. Yeah, that shit's hot. Good. God damn, that's hot. All right, so we got the sampler. What comes on the sampler? Rib tips. Yeah, perfect. Chicken strips. There you go, because you're a kid. Catfish fingers, fried pickles, and wings. Gotta try their wings. I wonder if they're smoke fried. Smoke fried wings? No? Let's try their fried pickles. They're thicker than ours. Pretty good. It's about an 8.
About an 8?
Yeah. All right. I don't know what this is. Catfish something.
Catfish something.
That's good. Fish is good. Let's try the wings. The sauce.
What sauce is it, do we know?
Smoked pride. It's good. A little small.
And then you got the rib tips.
It's the last thing I want to eat. It's all right. All right, what's next one? Chicken strip. Oh shit, not that sauce.
He's a child.
All right. My favorite? Fish. Fish was my favorite.
So Dave's favorite burger.
All right. So, I'm gonna start with the coleslaw. A little runny. A little horseradish. It's very runny though. Ours is not very runny. All right. Horseradish, pretty good. All right. Beans. Not a fan of the beans. Their portions are small compared to ours. I'm kind of digging this horseradish. I mean, it's creamy as hell. All right, now their burger compared to ours, it's very small. It's a very small burger compared to ours. Our burger, hands down. Ours is better. It's all right. It's good, but you can tell it's not handmade. It's not homemade. Our French fries are better.
So the summary, ours is better.
Our restaurant's better. My opinion. All I know is our portions are pretty damn big compared to these guys. But it's okay. Good call, John. Good call.
I'm gonna be honest, Kyle. Those might be the best wings I've ever had.
Yeah, you would say that. Best wings you ever had. All right. Thank y'all for watching this video. I know it's a little different than what we normally do. We're gonna start doing more like this. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss a thing.